Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Bad if my mic is a little bad. Um, Welcome to the new channel. We're gonna stream some Valorant. My bad for the TV being on, but yeah, I'm very kinda tired, but yeah, we're gonna be playing some Valorant. I don't know, like, I'm not that good at Valorant. I'm not that good. What the? Why is my thing so high? Did my thing lag? What the? What happened? Did, like, it crash or something? Oh, there we go. Why are all my stuff so high? I was so excited. Night market? Oh, I only got 4. I don't got anything. I thought I had enough for that. Okay. Oh wait, I could get this. I could get that. Can I get that? Yeah, I can get that. That's it, I'll get it, I guess. It's kinda cool. It's only for that, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we're gonna play some Swift play, cause I'm waiting to get to level 20 so I can do competitive. Bro, happy New Year's Eve, guys. Hopefully you guys have New Year's Eve. I'm excited. I'm gonna watch FNAF 2 tonight. I'm really excited. I've been wanting to watch that for a while. Didn't, like...
Match found.
Didn't MatPat, like... Didn't he play a character? Not Matt. Yeah, I think it was MatPat. I'll look it up. Yeah, I gotta get this dub. Ooh, who should I run? Maybe... I really like...
Just take a seat. I got this.
Oh yeah. Bro, he looks so tough. Oh, he's a duelist? I mean, that would make sense. The agent I really want, I'm really close to 8,000 funds. It's either this girl, cause she can like clone herself or something. That's not in her name, but Vise or the guy with the weird hat. Cyber or whatever his name is. Oh, we got someone new. Sage. Bro, I'm so excited. I'm so excited for New Year's. Probably gonna stay until 12 and watch the thingy. Is this gonna load?
Don't worry, guys. They say I'm a prodigy. Not my words. Not my words, baby.
Where should I go? I might use the Odin gun because I got the new skin for it. I never use it, but I just got it. Oh, there's fall damage. Okay, I'm actually dumb. I didn't know there was fall damage. I didn't know there was fall damage. I wouldn't know that. I'm gonna go where everyone else is going because that means they're going the right place and I'm just wandering around, not helping.
Here.
Hawk out!
Watch your eyes!
I'm so dumb.
Yo, Clove, go back to A. Never mind. They're all mid.
Oh, someone over here? Oh, I'm the best Valorant player, I swear.
Here.
I swear I'm the best Valorant player. Bro.
Here.
So bad. Bro, that skin is so fire, bro. It's a.
Last player standing. Team Ace.
I'm gonna mute everyone, bro. How do I
Remember, stay out of the fire. Super high level tactic. Remember that, yeah?
I don't wanna hear them. Can I get the Odin now? No, I need $3,000. Oh man. Okay, I guess I'll use that. Then that. Now let me get light armor. So I can buy curveball, hot hands, and that.
Through the calm, I
need to get
see.
some kills, so I can
Through the storm, I fight.
Here.
I'm gonna get a face cam soon.
Here, reloading.
Oh, blinded him.
Spotted C. Enemy spotted C.
15 shots to
Refreshing.
Stay down.
now I'm gonna
One enemy remaining. Spike down.
Spot
C.
spotted C. Outrun.
Finally. This is how I like to win.
Can I get Odin now? Oh yeah, we got that. Oh, that looks so dope. Curveball. Bro, this skin is so cool.
Need a drop.
Let's push him out.
I don't want you to do that dumb thing. The hunt begins. I want to get down there. So.
Flash!
Why does it bounce off the walls?
Multiple enemies B. Many.
Careful now.
Spike planted. Last player standing.
Oh man.
Enemy spotted B.
Okay, playing black.
My ultimate.
Last round before the switch.
Use everything you have. We lose it anyway.
I'll do Valorant. I guess I'll do. The middle of the night. I'm gonna follow this person because they look like they know what they're doing. Because they have a gun skin, so that means they know what they're doing. I don't know why, but I don't like the zoom. It feels weird. There's a way to change that setting.
Dropping smokes.
Okay,
What's
this person
this?
looks like they know what they're doing.
Enemy spotted A.
Flash!
Hawk
I
out.
didn't do that.
Careful now.
That's a kill.
This thing?
Going up.
Yeah, I
Healer down.
Spike planted.
know what I'm doing, I swear. Okay, one peek. Yep,
One enemy remaining.
I'm like cooking so hard. I swear, oh, she just got sniped at a site or whatever. Oh no, they're defusing. Oh wait, no, there's no one left.
Was that important?
Yes, it was.
Switching sides.
Don't want to take you out, Sage, but I gotta.
I'm gonna use the revolver this time because I know what I'm doing. I swear. Can I just, bro, I'm playing blog class, bro. Say Laura.
Need a drop.
Guys, I know what I'm doing. I swear. get this, bro.
Watch your eyes!
Okay, got one.
Spotted A.
Got one. Oh, I almost got that person. I swear. I'm just playing Glock.
Grounded. Here! Catch!
Spike planted. Reloading. Here.
It's the middle of the night.
Here.
I'm posting. Oh my god.
Wall raised.
Right.
Enemy spotted A.
One enemy remaining.
Last one down.
These parasites aren't going to take one step past this place.
Should I do the Odin gun again? Yeah, we'll do that again. I really like the skin on this. It's like lightning. Are they like talking?
I have your back.
They're like definitely in a call, bro. The three of them are definitely in a call. I can tell. They are all looking at each other. Dang it.
Hawk out!
I'm like really good.
Blinded.
Nailed. My ult's ready. Reloading.
Yeah! Catch!
I might play some Minecraft.
Here we
One
go.
enemy remaining.
I might play some Minecraft.
Enemy spotted C. Spike planted. Time to hunt. Healing. Drop in a smoke.
Reloading.
Oh.
Match point.
Aye, where to?
What am I gonna? Yeah, I guess I'll do that one. I don't know why I didn't do hot hands. Well, why don't I do? Not hot hands. Yeah, they're definitely in some town though. They're like,
I got yous, okay?
okay, I got you, okay.
Enemy spotted A.
Rush.
Down.
Why did?
Spike down A.
How did they see it when I blocked?
I got the spike. Enemy spotted A. No peeking. Ended. Spike planted. Have one of these.
Oh man.
Last player standing.
Do we lose? Oh.
Just some good old hard yakka. Standing in between us and victory.
You know what? I want to try to get a sniper kill, chat. I want to get a sniper kill. I'm so cooked. pockets. There's always.
Flash!
Dang it, that was funny.
Come on, let's go!
Your fault.
The hunt begins.
Ow! Okay, I'm not ready for ranked.
Watch this.
Last player standing.
Got him.
They like block it.
Sudden death.
Even with numbers, anything can still happen. Remember
I
that.
gotta fix my. There we go. No, I've never used this gun. I'm probably gonna die with it. Let's see. Yeah, I hope I. Okay, it's done. In the middle of the. We gotta get this one.
Gun here.
Don't hold back.
Dropping smokes.
Here.
Watch your eyes!
Out! Blinded. Spike planted.
Here. Here. Knocked him.
Here.
Finished.
Here.
Hawk out.
Here.
Going up.
That's great.
Have one of these. Drop in a smoke.
One enemy remaining. Attackers win.
No, we need to celebrate.
Party
in the danger room.
I got one kill. Oh my god. Hey, 15, let's go. Oh, we could buy a new recruit, not new operator. No, I don't want to go in game. I want to get a new operator. I always think this guy's good because he can like do explosives. This guy looks cool. What does he do? So, okay, no. Okay. She like throws explosives. I don't know what she does. Is he a new? I think he's a new agent. I don't know actually. So we have Viper. So what does she do? Wait. Mesmerize unleashes liquid metal. Disarm her and disarm. She could. Okay, we might get her. So we might get vise. Control. The American chemist. Butterproof destroys an area. Yeah, we might get her. And I thought she was good because she can like clone herself and go fast. Thailand. Waylay. Oh, that's her name, Waylay. Transform to a lighted source. I kind of want to get vise because, like, she can, like, no more weapons. If that's what. I thought. Cypher is one of. If I choose a character, I'm gonna use them a lot. She's probably good with revolver. Okay, I guess we'll get vise. Yeah, we'll get vise.
All paths end with me.
Okay. Alright. Anyways, that's probably going to be end to the video. That's probably going to be an end to the video. See you later.